Okay everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to show you how to install and set up one of these vintage buttonhole makers. They often come in a what they call a bullet box, like this. Okay, and it has, when you get it, it also has a, I've already put it on here, but it has this and the screw to go to it. Now I've already inserted this one right here on here. Put the screw in one of these holes you have right here by your machine. Okay, now you're going to open up your, just pull that out right there. That's the first thing you're going to do. And you're going to decide what buttonhole you want to use, what you want to make actually is what I'm trying to say. Get your buttonhole out of here. And see if that's in the camera. Yeah, cut that out. Okay, pretend like this is another one. We're going to stick it in there. Now you may have to kind of jiggle this right here around a little bit to get it fitted in there just right until it snaps in. See? Then it snaps into place how you want it. And then you shut it back up and it snaps. There's a little, see where there's a snap right here? Open it that way. Put it back down and snap. Okay. Now, there's also a stitch length right here for narrow, wide, you know, however you want to do your stitch length. Which I think it automatically adjusts to where it should be. Okay, so the next step, well, you've already taken off your regular foot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this right here and it's going to go behind here, behind your foot, and it's going to slip on the needle arm. You can see that right there. I'll try to move the camera over here and see if you can see the needle right there over the needle arm. See how those in there? Okay, let's see if I have the camera back in place where you can see what's going on. Sorry about that. Not the world's best photographer, videographer. Okay, so you're going to get that lined up, and then you're going to get this part right here, this other arm, slip it up, and line it up. And you're going to then put this in, and you'll line up your two holes. And this is the part that I can do it, but it might take me 30 minutes or whatever to do it. It's going to take me a while, and I'm going to have to get in the front of the camera and stand on my head and do all kind of tricks to get it done because of my arthritis. I can't do fine motor skills anymore. But I think you're going to get the general idea. And then you're going to let it down when it's in there correctly. And then you can turn to where you want to begin. You'll have this down. It'll be snapped into place. And there's a right up in here there's a mark where you start at the top. And you'll want to definitely practice on some scrap fabric pieces to get what you want done. You know, get it pretty like you want. and then you learn how to do it. Then you just start sewing, and that's how you do it. So I hope this helps you, because I do run across a lot of these and put them up for sale when I find them. So I wanted to give y'all a general idea of how to use it. So I hope this helped you, and you'll like the video and share it and subscribe to my channel. Be even better. Thanks again. Happy sewing. Bye for now.